Hola, my friends. Straight from Brazil to the world, welcome to Boosted Man. Subscribe to Boosted Man, like this video, and share it with your friends because today we are going to talk about a powerful strategy that every man should understand. The topic is how to make a woman feel like she's losing you. Many men make the mistake of thinking that giving a woman everything all the time will make her stay. But in reality, if she feels like she has already won you completely, she may start losing interest. So let's break down the key attitudes that will make her realize your value and feel that losing you would be her biggest mistake. Build independence. Women are drawn to men who have their own lives, their own schedules, and their own goals. If you cancel everything for her, she feels she is the center of your world. But if she sees that you are busy with your career, your friends, and your projects, she understands that you are a man she needs to fight for. Independence creates respect and attraction. Focus on self-improvement. When you work out, improve your style, invest in your career, and take care of your health, she notices. Every new achievement reminds her that you are becoming more valuable every single day. If she doesn't respect your growth, she will realize another woman out there will. That thought makes her fear losing you. Don't always be available. If she knows you will always answer instantly, always say yes, and always show up whenever she wants, you stop being a challenge. A man with value has boundaries. Take your time to answer. Say no sometimes. Prioritize your own commitments. This shows her that your attention must be earned. Keep mystery alive. If she knows everything about your plans, every detail of your day, she will get bored. But if she sees that you are a man with layers, interests, and a life that she does not fully control, she will stay curious. Curiosity is a strong force of attraction. When she doesn't know everything, she invests more to discover who you really are. Show confidence through actions. Confidence is not about words. It is about how you carry yourself. The way you walk, the way you look at her, the way you decide without hesitation. A confident man does not need to explain himself. He simply knows his worth. If she feels you believe in yourself, she will naturally fear losing that strong presence in her life. Be a gentleman but not a servant. Opening the door, respecting her time, speaking politely, all of that shows class. But being a servant who forgets his own needs is a mistake. A real gentleman gives respect, but also demands respect. This balance makes her feel you are different from the rest. And if she takes you for granted, she will regret it. Maintain ambition. Women can sense when a man has no direction, but when she sees that you are moving forward, building something and aiming for bigger goals, she knows you are a man of vision. The fear of losing you comes naturally, because she understands another woman will appreciate the man you are becoming. Remember, these attitudes are not about playing games. They are about being a man of value, a man with purpose. When a woman feels she could lose you, she is reminded of how special you are. Attraction is not built by giving all of yourself instantly. It is built by becoming the best version of yourself and letting her realize your worth. So if you want to make a woman feel like she's losing you, stop chasing, start growing, and live with purpose. She will either step up or step out, and both outcomes are a victory for you. Subscribe to Boosted Man, like this video, and share it with your friends. Because here, we show men how to level up in relationships, style, career, and life. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.